welcome to sales. Here's a beautiful 2007 F750. Just takes a regular driver's license to drive hydraulic brakes. Take a look at this beautiful truck here. This thing is standing tall and ready to go. You can give a man a fish for a day, but give him a truck like this and he'll never go hungry the rest of his life. Let's walk right up here and take a look at this beautiful thing. All right, watch that beautiful boom going. I'm gonna raise up the truck off here. This baby came out of Arizona. It's never seen a lick of rust anytime, anywhere. She's ready to roll. Look at the meat on these tires. Woo! She's under here. We're gonna walk all the way around. Look up in there. Wow! Look at that meat. All the way around here. Walk around. We're gonna lower the dump box back down and then continue to operate the boom. Here we go. It's power up, power down. Look at this nice baby operate. 61-foot working height, automatic transmission. Boom certified, dielectric tested, ready to make money. Now, in my opinion, this truck's better than the newer one. It's got the pre-emission motor, less sensors, easier to work on, very user-friendly, fast operating boom. We're gonna show you all the way around. I just wanted to do a quick video. It is Friday afternoon. We're gonna do a driving video and show you some more stuff on Monday. But today, we're just whetting the appetite. Take a look at this beautiful truck here. Let me know if you'd like to see any other clips and we'll do a better job for you on Monday. Thanks so much. I'm gonna slip inside, take a quick fast look at the interior here. We got reupholstered seats inside. We got a little bit of cleanup to do in here on the floor. But overall, really nice truck. Right here we got factory under CDL, $25.99. Thanks again for watching the video. Strong diesel motor in here. Ready to roll.